If you're seeing a 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple fixes you can try right now to get the website working again. This is a very common browser and network issue, and in many cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and easy fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and try a hard refresh on the webpage. To do that, press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. This forces Chrome to reload the page without relying on old cached files, which can sometimes be the reason you're stuck on a 403 error. After the refresh, see if the page loads properly. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next step. Now check the website address carefully. Look at the URL in the address bar and make sure it is typed correctly. Even a small mistake, like an extra character, a missing letter, or an unwanted space can cause access problems and lead to a 403 forbidden message. Double check the spelling, make sure the domain is correct, and try loading the page again. If the issue is still there, restart Google Chrome completely. Close the browser fully, make sure it is no longer running in the background, and then open Chrome again. Sometimes temporary browser glitches can block a site from loading correctly, and a simple restart is enough to clear those issues. After reopening Chrome, try accessing the website one more time. Next, clear your Chrome cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes for permission-related website errors. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Once those options are selected, click Delete Data. Corrupted or outdated cookies can sometimes make a site think your browser no longer has permission, so clearing them can fix the problem instantly. After that, reload the website and check if the 403 error is gone. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. Some websites block traffic coming from VPNs or proxy servers, and that can trigger a 403 forbidden error even if everything else is working correctly. Turn off your VPN, disable your proxy settings if needed, and then try loading the site again. If the page opens normally after that, then the VPN or proxy was the cause. You can also try opening the website in Incognito Mode. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to launch a private browsing window, then enter the website address again. Incognito Mode helps by disabling most extensions and using a fresher browsing session, which can be useful if an extension or stored browser data is interfering with access. If the website works in Incognito Mode, that usually means the issue is related to cookies, extensions, or cached data in your normal browser session. If none of those steps fix it, the last thing to try is flushing your DNS cache. This refreshes your Windows DNS records and can resolve connection problems that make websites fail to load properly. On Windows, press Windows plus S, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Once the process completes, try visiting the website again in Chrome. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for a 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome are hard refresh the page, verify the URL, restart Chrome, clear cache and cookies, disable VPN or proxy, try incognito mode, and flush your DNS cache. One of these steps usually solves the problem. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.